Hey there folks, my name is Luke. Welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review. It is Military Surplus Wednesday. It might actually be Tuesday when I put this up. I usually like to do a day before, so Military Surplus Tuesday, whatever. Now, you guys have seen this before in one of my reviews. This is the cold weather fleece jacket, level 3. Let me show you what level 7 looks like. When it's seriously cold outside and you need to stay warm, this is the Generation 3 Level 7 Cold Weather Parka. Check this thing out. Oh yeah. When you live in the Arctic or maybe Minnesota, this is the jacket that you need. If you like military surplus, that is. Check this thing out. Alright folks, we are going to take a look at this parka, and we are also going to take a look at the pants. Stay with me. Now with this jacket here, this is part of the extreme cold weather system which is used by the armed forces, the United States Armed Forces, and so on. And let me tell you, this thing is pretty darn wild. I have thought about using this system in extremely cold temperatures as a sleeping bag by itself because it is so thick, so warm. You could easily replace the sleeping bag and use this system, which is pretty incredible, especially when you consider the price of this system here. Before moving on to the pants, let's go over functions and features. First off, it does have a hood, as you can see. This can be rolled up and stowed as part of the collar. It has a number of sections of Velcro where you can roll it up and tie it in. There are no chest pockets. There are hand pockets down on the sides. Extremely large. I mean, if you have the mutant mitts on, they will easily fit inside of here. They are zippered, so you can zipper those up. Protect your goodies. You have a main zipper here on the front. On the inside, very simple. You have a large mesh pocket here, and you have another large mesh pocket. Going back to the hand pockets, you do have a draw pull. You have one on both sides, so you can cinch this thing tight around your waist to keep out the wind and the snow. Here with the zipper, you do have a wind block, which goes all the way down. So if it is windy, it will go through the zipper, hit that material, and stop from passing through to you. You do have draw pulls up here to pull everything nice and tight, so you can have the hood nice and tight around your head. Down at the wrist, you have Velcro, so you can make it as tight or as loose as you want it. Moving on to the pants here, as you can see, they are just as serious as the parka itself. When it comes to the insulation for both of these are filled with PrimaLoft insulation. Very thick, very heavy, very, very substantial. Now, I'm not going to put these on. It's a little bit too warm for that, but I will show them off. There are lots of cool features here. On the sides, you can see that there are these Velcro covers. You can make adjustments here. This leads to a zipper, and there's a zipper on both of the legs, which goes all the way down. So you can easily put these on, you can easily take them off. You can also ventilate yourself if you get too hot. At the bottom of the pant towards the foot, the ankle, you have a Velcro cover so you can make these tight around your boots or loose. It's also elastic so it can fit over your boot. With the pants, there are no pockets. This is simply an insulating layer, and that is it. When it comes to cost, this will vary up and down. You'll find these on eBay all over the place. You will spend roughly $30 for each component depending on quality and the seller. Anywhere from $30 all the way up to $70 is pretty typical. When it comes to sizing, you'll find these from small regular all to 2XL tall. The shell here is water resistant and wind resistant. It is very breathable and will keep you warm even when it's damp. You have reinforced elbows. The lining material is a Ripstop Nylon. You do have a high collar, which the hood can be stowed in. With this parka being part of the extreme cold weather system, this was designed to go down as low as 40 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit. And of course, that's with proper layering and so on. Since this is military surplus, this was made in the United States. As far as going over stats, features, and functions, that's pretty much it. You know, when it comes to the review, I know that this is not a product for everyone. This thing is so big. It's so warm. that even I struggle to find the right situation to use it. Now, as I mentioned before, I have thought about taking this out in place of a sleeping bag, and that is something that I may do in the future. That might actually be pretty cool. This parka is so large that, I mean, it really has to be cold and nasty outside for me to want to wear it, because I don't think the fit is very flattering, and it really wasn't designed to be flattering looking. It was designed to keep you warm, right? And that it certainly does. With the parka and the pants, it's a very simple system. You just slide it on, put it on, and you are toasty. You are toasty. Right now, it's roughly 32 degrees, and I'm on fire with this system. I'm very hot. I have the fleece jacket, I have the parka, and I'm very warm. Since wintertime has arrived, I wanted to get this onto your radar because this may work for some people. I understand that it will not work for everyone. But for some people, in the right situation, this is going to be awesome. The price is right, the quality is right, it's super warm, military surplus all the way. If you guys have any questions for me, email me. Until next time, strength and honor. See you guys around.